What'd you get?
Go! Press go! Press go! You gotta steer,
Whoa, whoa.
Joplin! Let me get in the pool, Joplin! Wanna swim? Wanna swim? Whoa! Joplin! Whoa! It actually smashed my coat!
What is that?
You wanna swim? Okay. Sim? I think she likes it. It's all done. Time to swim.
Yeah.
Time to swim.
Ah, you haven't seen it. Where's your food?
That was lightning. Get the kids out, Ashley.
Lightning. Trent, Elena, out of the pool, please.
Come on out of the pool.
Tim will go hang inside just a few minutes.
Out, out, out. Out.
Hide the press.
Joplin. Joplin. What do you got?
Joplin, can I go in?
No, because we're going to probably put it in because it's going to rain. Heaven forbid the Hummer get wet.
Albert needs to go inside. Okay. Yeah, but I don't even